Hello, I'm Brock St. Clair for Evolving Tech. It's April 3rd, 2020, and it's time for the Daily Tech News Roundup. Maintaining our sanity, we're doing our best, but it is day 3 of extremely boring, slow tech news. Apple's new iPad Pro cuts off the microphone when its case is closed to prevent snooping. Wait, are you telling me that they're gonna turn off the microphone when I'm not using it? That is such a generous feature. Thank you, Apple. How about 9 new uses for your old Android phone? That's right, folks. Why sell your old Android devices for money that you can use on dumb things like food and rent, when you can use your Android device as a wireless mouse? Wired wrote an article called "Everything You Need to Work from Home Like a Pro," and then listed some common office items, including laptops. Look, I know that you're used to handwriting all of your work on college-ruled notebook paper and dry erase boards at the office, but now you've got to work from home. You should look into this new technology. It's called a laptop. Come on, guys, really? And finally, Zoom's one-click install on Macs has been taken away because, as it turns out, they could only accomplish a one-click install by doing some super shady stuff to bypass your consent to install the program. Honestly, at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if Zoom has also stolen my credit card information and bought a boat. Yes, Zoom is in very hot water, but if you've been keeping up with these daily tech news roundups, you'll know that this is not news. It was news 3 days ago. So what is good news today, I hear you ask? Well, buckle your seatbelts, friends, because I got a few stories for you. SpaceX's Starship prototype unfortunately collapsed in a 3rd failed test. Space travel is certainly hard. That's been confirmed. But, you know, I'm sure more tests are coming, and I'm sure it won't be long before we're all hanging out on Mars. And that's all I want to do, really. Amazon got out of the Apple App Store tax, but it's still very much in place for everyone else. Apparently, Apple has struck a deal with Amazon, giving them a lot of relief on taxes that they usually require from people posting apps on the App Store. They also claimed that this is a system they've had in place for a long time, even though Amazon is the first and only company that's been given this special treatment. But of course, when you have Amazon-type money, I'm sure you're used to special treatment. Also, Apple accidentally leaked its own product on YouTube. They made a tutorial about erasing data on your iPhone, and whoops, in the settings, they accidentally showed the word AirTags. Honestly, though, with how heavily Apple stuff gets leaked nowadays anyway, this would probably be a good move for them to do on purpose. I mean, Gizmodo wrote an article about it, so obviously it's good press. And finally, Outer Wilds was the best game of 2020 at the British Academy Games Awards. I haven't played it, but I've heard really good things. And also, kudos to everybody at the British Academy Games Awards for making the event happen even during the quarantining. All right, that's it. Details on these headlines and more at evolvingtech.io as per usual. I've been Brock St. Clair for Evolving Tech. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please do. If you really liked the video, consider subscribing. But for now, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay inside.